Hi, this is Jeannie. Happy National Day to everyone. Today I'm going to cook our Singapore, one of the favorite dish, which is the chili crab. We will introduce the ingredients. We will have 8 pieces of this garlic, 8 pieces of shallots, 1 thumb size of lemongrass. We have 6 pieces of fresh chili you cut, 1 galangal you slice it, that's about 1 thumb size. Then the candle nuts, we will have 6 pieces. Okay, you can have 2 to 3 chili padis and 10 dried chili which you dehydrate and then de-seed together with 1 lime. This will be the rempah ingredient where you can blend it, okay, for the rempah. And as for the sauce, we will have the tomato ketchup. We will have 6 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of the tauco, the fermented bean paste, about 2 tablespoons of the raw sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. We have here 2 mud crab, which you wash clean and then you can chop it into either half size or you can even have quarter size. Okay, we have 2 eggs and about 250 ml of water, and that's it. So we heat up about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. So now the oil is a bit hot already. Then we will fry the rempah, okay? Slowly add in, because in case the oil will splash out. In fact, now I can smell the fragrance of the chili. So just heat up until the chili is well cooked and the rempah, until the rempah is aromatic. Okay, continue to fry until aromatic. It will take a while. The rempah is already aromatic, so we shall add the tauco, which is the fermented bean paste. Then we add the raw sugar. Stir fry for a while before we add in the tomato ketchup. Ketchup. And half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them well before we add in the crab. Then we shall add crab. Now, okay. The shell itself, we'll do it later. Mix them well before we add in the water. Make sure that the crab is all cooked with the rempah. Okay, we add in the water. Allow to simmer about 10 minutes, which I'll cover first. Okay, cover. Okay, in the midst of the simmering for the 10 minutes, I actually added the shell already. So now it's almost done. So right now we shall add in the egg. And give a good stir. Mix well. And once it's mixed well, it's considered done and you can serve. It's done. See the beautiful color? Hope you all can try it at home. You all remember to like our OTH Facebook page. Stay healthy, stay strong. Happy National Day.